Switzerland is the most innovative country in the world, according to the World Intellectual Property Organization. Switzerland is a small country in the middle of Europe with no natural resources, but it's a combination of our universities, our industry, the social peace, justice in the country, and so on and so forth. And also the interaction between universities, research, and also companies, which makes it very good. Innovation at the Swiss Pavilion is showcased in our workshop of innovation. This is where you enter the room and you're facing the different drops of innovation. These are symbolically linked to our fog above, which means that our innovation comes from our origins, from our traditions. And for each and every drop, you have one ingredient of innovation. So you have an educated workforce, high research and development, social peace and justice in the country, good international relations and relations with our neighbors. Then you have also inventive minds. Switzerland has the most amount of patents per inhabitants in the world. You then have a focus on sustainability, which is a key criteria of innovation, and infrastructures of the country, which are also very important, and the living quality, which is also paramount if you want to attract talents to the country. A lot of incubators, which are in developing countries, are second-hand and are ill-adapted to the local conditions, in the sense that they are ill-adapted to irregular power supply, to humidity, heat, sand, and so on and so forth. So they redesigned this, the EPFL, which is one of Switzerland's leading institutions, with universities from Kenya and Cameroon. And they looked at a way of not only providing a low-cost incubator for babies, but also one which is resistant to heat, to humidity, and also can function 5 hours without any power supply. If you're using a zipper on your fleece, on your jacket, this was manufactured in Switzerland. Whenever you open a bar of chocolate, this is Swiss, not the chocolate in itself, but also the fact of having processed food, thanks to one of our big companies, which is behind this. We have now an exhibit on wastes, and so we're showcasing that waste is an issue for the world, for Switzerland too. We're one of the biggest producers of waste per capita, but we're also trying to find solutions and showcasing some of our success stories in recycling. This, for example, is a project of the University of Applied Science of Eastern Switzerland. And essentially, they are recycling old ski boots and using it for raw materials for 3D printing vital ingredients, vital materials such as decorative items such as this line, but also key mechanical parts for machines. Expo 2020 Dubai is helping us to create a platform here at the Swiss Pavilion to not only showcase our different innovations, our universities, our research, but also to connect them with equivalents from the entire world. And we're doing this by not only organizing some exhibits, which will be about space, biodiversity, and global goals, but also by holding events in collaboration with Expo 2020 at the Expo 2020 facilities, but also here at our pavilion.